today we are turning this 3-piece watch box into a 6-piece. Super easy, simple design. Show you guys exactly what we did. What is up, y'all? My name is Chris. This is Lifestyle the Ambitious, and today all we're doing is taking 1.5 inches off of the top of each of these rectangles and 1 inch off the bottom. For here, we're showing 1 inch off the top because I had to come back and add some extra clearance. So you see we're using a Spyderco pocket knife. I don't recommend you use something like this. I would use a razor blade, something very sharp like that. I changed out to that later on in the video, as you'll see, to clean up all the jagged edges and stuff like that this knife left behind. So just cut on the sides, cut on the back, and cut out the bottom. It's pretty straightforward. Repeat for the bottom. Just make sure you measure everything so you get nice squared away edges. There we go. That's with that knife. We're taking out now that extra 1/2 inch of clearance that we needed at the top. Same process. Now we took the watch holder and cut it in half, but not directly in half. It's like straight top to bottom. What we did was we find the midpoint of that little watch pillow. In this case, it's about 1.5 inches. We find that, and we're gonna cut just like that at about a 45-degree angle. And here's that razor blade I was talking about, much more precise. You see that? I already used it to clean up the little edges all around here, and we're gonna use it to cut this as well. So like I was saying, find that midpoint. Here it's about 1.5 inches. Get to about a 45-degree angle and just go for it. Make sure to cut a nice clean cut all the way through. Any extra material that you cut off by accident in the process is gonna make it just that much skinnier. So clean it up best you can. And there you go. That's the final product right there. 6-piece watch box. Since we didn't change the width of these little watch holders, and they fit snug, and we didn't have to add a little divider through the middle. By gluing it in, it would have looked kind of tacky. So I decided, since they fit snug, they weren't shaking around, and I'm happy with that design right there. So if you guys like it, I hope you guys create your own. So thank you guys again for watching. My name is Chris. This is Lifestyle the Ambitious, and I will see you guys in the next one.